Alright. How doing, guys? Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever the time will be. This is some G graphics. This is some G graphics, and firstly, I would say congratulations on like being consistent for like 20 for first 20 days, and now we've entered the 21st day. That's 21, day 21, which we'll be talking about how to create a portfolio website with your mobile phone. So there are different sites you can actually create your portfolio, but I'll be going through the first one, which is, let's go to our Chrome, then we search Google Sites, search for Google Sites. I mention my name earlier? If I haven't, I'm Sam G Graphics. Okay, so these are Google Sites. Then you click on the first link. Click on the first link. If you haven't registered, you sign in or sign up. But now I said to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites on your desktop. You can just click these three buttons, but for Android you can click, there's a three button that will be up, so you can click the three button there and you see desktop site or desktop mode, I don't know. Okay, desktop site, then it will display. So this is it. So this is the one I created before. Let me just quickly open it. Created and still working on it though. Let me just open to show you how it is. Hold on, it's still loading. Yeah, so this is it. Something very simple like this. I am Sam G Graphics, a creative designer from Nigeria. So if you scroll, you can see my logo, my works. You can add your work, what you've done. The network here is not really too good. You can add videos. Probably you can add like the video can be in form of your design process. You can add your design process to it. So you can see this is one of the challenge I give. I think that should be day 6 or day 5. So this is part of, I just did it. Then we have movie poster. You can write the name, photography, studio flyer, Photoshop, YouTube tutorial. If you haven't watched this, you are missing. Birthday flyer, party flyer, brand social media flyer, and so on. So you can add. So you can also add your link, your Instagram link and your Facebook link. You can add your Facebook link, your email. Then you can add your form. I will send the templates. I will send the templates where you can easily send to clients instead of talking or having long talk. It's possible you can just send a kind of form to them, so asking them about what they really want, the their what will I say, but I'll send a template. It's just all about asking clients, okay, what specific stuff do you want, design do you want, or what service can we render. but this is like a brand identity questionnaire. So you can see, so I send this to client that want to do like a full brand identity, like, so the client will fill their email, their name of brand. Oh shit, this is a mistake, 2 emails. I will edit it. Then what's your vision and mission of the brand? What is the main objective of the brand? What is your brand tagline? And so on. I will send the proper template for brand guidelines. And I think during our conference, I guess that's our creative chat, one of the speakers dropped a template which is in the Telegram group. You can go and check it there, so you can see. So let us bring it up like this and see it in form of desktop, or you can view it in form of tablet mode, and it will still be making sense. See what I'm talking about? So you feel it. You can view it in form of, in form of, like where if you view it on system, this is how it will be. Yep. So let's just go back to our Google site, and let me just create. So you can see we have different templates. So you can create websites for maybe a portfolio, family updates, events, and so on. There are a lot of templates. You can click on this. You can see other templates: event help center, projects, team, for small business, maybe for party, create a website. For photo portfolio, you can create a website for it. So a lot, you can see a lot of templates you can just take and edit yourself. So let us click apologies, I'm so sorry. So let's just click on portfolio. So I'll just tell you what you do. So now this is what it will come up with. So you can edit your image. If you don't want this image, you just click the three dots that is here, replace image, upload, and let me see, photo library. So let me see, I want to wow. So let me just pick this image. Let me just pick this image. So you can crop it the way you want it. You can increase, can reduce as you want it. So this is our image. You just put your image there. Put a professional image, to be precise. I will advise that. Put a professional image. Put a professional image. So you edit your name. I'm just showing you what you are going to do. Samji graphics. Then you go to your role A. Let me just put a web developer, just as an example. To a web developer from where? From let's put Nigeria. Yeah, so you can see it. So now we have this. If we increase it, it will also affect the picture. So you can reduce, you can increase. So we are all these creative, so we understand what I'm talking about. So now this is where you add your selected work. So if you have like a PDF or whatever you want to add, so let me just add a slide. Let's see. Let me just add a slide. Okay, currently I don't have slide here. I don't have it on this phone. So let me just add image instead. So when we click on this round button, this round circle, what's wrong with me? This icon, this circular, God will help. So click on upload photo library, then we add, let's see, let me add someone's, okay, let me see this, let me use this, so you can see, so you can just edit the name and put the name as birthday flyer. Okay, so now we have this birthday flyer. So you can add video. So it will take you directly to maybe your YouTube channel, or took me directly to my YouTube channel. Or I'm doing good, Abdul. People that loves me. Oh, that's so cool. So there's the network issue right now. That's the reason. The network is actually very bad now. Network is very, very bad now. But let me see. Okay, so let's see. I want to add creative. Let me see if I will see our channel. If I will see our channel here. Let's wait for it to load. If I do not see, that means you guys, you are not subscribing, and it's not too nice. It's not too nice. Please check our YouTube channel and subscribe. At least use that one to support us. We love you. Dropping videos, trying to build so many developers, creatives. It's not quite easy. Why am I not seeing our page? Okay, so yeah, so this is it. So this like the introductory part of analysis, blah 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 blah. This the creative charts. So let's just pick this Photoshop full tutorial by Samg Graphics. Oh, who is the Samg Graphics? Who is this Sam? Wow, 110 views. Not really too nice. Not really too nice. But well, it's better than nothing though. It's better than nothing. So right now I don't know why it's not I don't know why it's not going through. I don't know why it's not going. Okay, let me just pick. Okay, so this one went. So we have this. So you can put your slide, like maybe when you, as if you are done with your like your brand identity, put them in form of PDF, because I'll prefer you guys sending your brand guidelines to your clients in form of PDF, well arranged. It makes it look more professional. So you can just say, let me just name this video, just a data analysis. Thanks to our tutor there, our boss, team media analyst. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. For data analysts, you guys should try to be turning up, because I don't know. Let me see what is in my mind. So you put your name. Actually, you're supposed to do this first. Apologies, that skipped my mind. So you add your name. Let me say SMG Media. Then you can add your logo. You add your logo. It's very easy. When you click on the name, you see add logo. Then you come to your about when you are done with this one. Okay, let's go back to home. There's something I didn't show you guys. So after going down, now get in touch at, you put your email address or whatever you want to add. Whatever you want to add. I think that's cool. Then you go to your about. You put your image of, probably maybe you are in your workspace or you are working, just like a picture of you with your system, something like that. Then add it. Lead with an impactful statement. So you add your, maybe your title, about you and stuff like that. Tell them my name is, I'll send the templates. My Samg Graphics. I'm not really too feeling too well, so I really apologize that I'm not too active like that. So you have the previous client you've worked with. You can add their names. Maybe you've worked with Coca-Cola brand, or you've worked with Adobe Creative Suite, or you've worked with Google, or you've worked with Amazon, and so on like that. So you add everything. So you are laughing. You don't worry, one day you're gonna work there. And I'm even sure some of you are even working there. You are not telling us. Anyhow, so you put your work experience, when you've the company that you worked, the dates and the job title. You are creative designer or motion designer or something like that. You understand what I'm saying? So you do that for this educational background. You add that as well. Then project page. This project page, so the brand identity we did for the for the challenge, you can add it. So you can say project name blah blah blah, brand identity for the name of the brand you did it for, the name of the brand you call it, or whatever. You just put it brand, let me say you are working for maybe brand identity for which company can I mention? Brand identity for mind is taking me. So you understand what I'm saying? Let's say you are working for Apple Graphics or for SMG Media. Okay, brand identity for SMG Media. Then write a 1 to 2 state sentence describing description of your project. So you just this a project blah 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 blah. You understand? Just like few statement description, like what the brand is about and stuff like that. So you put some images of like the logo, some like mock-up. So you can add some mock-ups here. Then describe what role you played on your team. This one you just put I successfully created or build up the brand with visual identities like the logo blah blah blah, something like that. So you can just add that. You can make it more professional, you understand? Don't mind my own English. You can just make it more professional. So when you are done with everything, then you just click on publish. This publish that is here, the publish that is up here, you see this blue button here, you just click publish and your site will be. So now you type this stuff, this http. When you are done, you just type your name, type the name that you want to use. Okay, like let me see Sam G, because I've used SMG Media for the previous one I worked on, so it might not work. So I'll be using Sam G for this. So it will search for if it has another Sam G. If it has another Sam G, that means okay, yes. So it's confirmed. Then we click on publish. Very easy Percy, very simple and straightforward. So you can easily so you can see view. You can click on view to check out the site, so you can see what I'm talking about. You can see these three lines, so you can see wow, came with animation. So you can see still loading. I am Sam G Graphics, a web developer from Nigeria. Just a simple website, no much stress. Wow, see this man that is here. So you can see our images, see the YouTube blah 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 and stuff like that, and we are good. And that's all. So if you want to check your site, you can see this our link. Just click on the link that is there, then this is our link. You can just copy it. You can just copy the link and you can send it to anybody. And the person will be able to have access, not really have access, to check your site and see your work. Don't forget, you can add your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, and whatsoever platform you want to add. So we have 10 days for you guys to watch this video. Don't procrastinate, because I know some people will be saying, let me watch it tomorrow. Anyway, I'm saying this at the end of the video. What's wrong with me? So just make sure you follow up with the video and work on yourself, work on it, and use it to create something beautiful, and which I believe you all can do it. I believe that. So there are other sites you can actually use, but we'll be talking about that later, and that will be when I start for the web design class. So starting the web design class soon. There I'll be showing some process we can create simple websites with our phone, and also with our system. How to how to get templates, how to edit codes, and so on like that. So you guys have a nice day, and I can't wait to see you guys creatives. Can't wait to see what you guys are going to create and the outcome of what you're going to do. So when you are done, you can just screen record. So you can see when I turn it, it automatically give me the mobile mode. You can see, so I can view it on mobile, I can view it on system, I can view it however I want it to be viewed. So you just screen record like this. You just screen record it. When you are done screen recording, when you are done with this part, you go to click on this, go to about. Just, you understand what I'm saying? Just have to screen record everything, both the home, about, and our project page. So you just do like that and we are good. So you can just take it to either CapCut to edit maybe some part of the video, and just make it increase the speed a bit so it will look more captivating though. You understand what I'm feeling, fam? Okay, so don't mind me. Sometimes that might be kind of like playful, you get. So that's all for today. So have a nice day and stay creative. I remain your boy, Sam G Graphics. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. If I don't quickly reply, please anybody from the group, you can flash me. You can just give me a flash so that I will know how important it is, because there are so many people that just come and message me I for what you understand. So that's just it. So you can see our website, is good to go, and we are good. Have a nice I've said Jesus Christ, I don't talk have a nice day for like 3 times now. Anyway, have a nice day for the last time, and goodbye.